Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn how to multiply digits in Excel. So let's take our first unit, uh, uh, 34. In the second cell, we will write 23. In the third cell, we will write is equal to bracket open uh, H14. H14 multiplied by H13. No. Sorry. H13 bracket close and enter 728, and that's the right answer. So this is how we multiply in Excel, and now let's take how to let's learn how to divide in Excel. Let's take 48 and 43. Again, same is equal to bracket open H16 H16 H15 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 bracket close enter 0.895833, um, and that's the answer. That's our answer. So if you like this video, please do share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.